Celtics o Pacers fan ka ba? Look away now, medyo brutal to. From 1990 to 2023, meron lang 45 players na na-injure ang Achilles sa NBA. But last year alone, merong 8, including Celtics star Jason Tatum and Pacers star Tyrese Haliburton. Hindi yun yung pinaka-alarming dun. Players who injure their Achilles take 9 to 12 months to recover. And when they get back, they play different. 34% drop sa games played and sa points scored. Kevin Durant and Dominic Wilkins medyo exception but sobrang rare. Age and advanced medical technology could be on the side of Tatum and Haliburton, but it's no guarantee. Players like Brandon Jennings and DeMarcus Cousins all injured their Achilles while in their mid-20s but came back single-digit scorers as shell of themselves. Medyo nakakatakot. The odds are against Tatum and Haliburton. But for the sake of Celtics and Pacers fans, sana nga makabalik sila sa dati.